Yeshua, the mirror of divine sovereignty. Shalom, beloved solar family. Welcome to a very special episode of the Golden Soul Ascension. I am Honorek. Today we gather to honor the memory of a great brother and master, Yeshua. We are here to peel away the layers of indoctrination and dogma, to find the true essence of the Christ frequency. Today we don't speak of religion. We speak of your own divine sovereignty, Ifata. The truth behind the incarnation. For centuries, the image of Yeshua was used to create external structures and fear. But the truth is far more beautiful. Yeshua did not incarnate to be worshipped. He came for a mission of spiritual engineering and a soul's sovereignty. He came to remind us that we are not separated from the source. The 4 pillars of his mission. 1. Anchoring the Christ frequency. His physical body served as a divine lightning rod to bring the frequency of unconditional love, the Christ, and the density of the matter. He proved that a human being can contain the totality of the source within a biological basal. 2. Awaking the inner God. He acted as a quantum mirror. He then came as the only shadow of God, but to show that we are all children of the source. His message was clear. What I do, you should do, and even greater things. He came to restore our sovereignty. 3. Opening the heart's records. Before him, connecting to the divine was seen as a distant or throughout loss. Yeshua opened the portals of the heart altar, teaching us that communication with the Father-Mother is direct, intimate, and based on love, not sacrifice. 4. Transmuting collective fear. He used the dense human experience to prove that light is invisible against physical death. His purpose was to dissolve the fear of transition and show that our essence is eternal, paving the way for our current ascension. The activation. The message for today. The Supreme Divinities tell us today Yeshua was the seed, but you are the fruits. When you say Ifata, you are activating the Christ code that was shown in Earth's crystalline grid for his exact moment in history. You are reclaiming your throne. Guided meditation. The hug of a light brother. Close your eyes and visualize a golden white light surrounding you. Before you, a figure full of peace appears. Do not look for the image from the paintings. Feel his vibration. It is Yeshua, the brother. He does not judge you. He recognizes you. Watch as he places his hands over your heart and tells you, what I am, you are. What I did, you can do. Feel any trace of guilt or ancestral fears dissolving. You are free. You are divine. You are one with the Supreme Source. Ifata, Ifata, Ifata. Prayer. The Christ Code Activation. In this moment of grace, I invoke the presence of the beloved Yeshua and the Supreme Sons of Divinity. I decree the opening of my heart's altar and activate the Christ Code in every strand of my DNA. I renounce guilt, fear, and centuries of indoctrination. I reclaim my sovereignty as a son, daughter of the Source. I recognize the power that dwells in Yeshua, dwells in me today. I am the resurrection and the life of my own divinity. An Raheh Shalom, Ifata, Ifata, Ifata. Thank you for allowing this message of sovereignty to touch your spirit. Remember, do not look for Yeshua on walls. Look for him in the beat of your own heart. You are free. You are sovereign. You are aligned. If this message has resonated with your soul, I invite you to subscribe and share it with someone that might need it. Thank you. Aum Raheh Shalom Ifata Ifata Ifata.